Hello folks, welcome to my next product review. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's right folks, $10,000 a month. Now this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so if you are interested, click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to this review. You can grab this product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my Mega Bundle bonus. Now, my bonus Mega Bundle includes a bonus for affiliate marketing made easy. And it shows you the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates. And bonus number 2 is an access to our full-length 28 videos from our executive series. And each video is professionally designed and includes an introduction, content roadmap, and discussion points. Bonus number 3 is a Man Up Men Take Care of Yourself PLR bundle. Now this is a deep dive into why men have difficulty balancing their lifestyle. And it includes a 15,000 word ebook, a 48 Man Up tips, references, 10 articles, free images, 3 infographics, 4 posters, checklists, email, follow-up, sales material, and a further 6 bonuses. So that's 11 bonuses altogether, folks, from this program. Bonus number 4 is the changing workplace and how leaders influence change. And this is another PLR bundle. And it provides practical strategies and constructive approaches and ways to engage people in making positive changes. And bonus number 5 provides several children's dinosaur ebooks and coloring ebooks. And they're designed to keep all their little ones very busy. This is a PLR bundle and an unrestricted PLR bundle. Now, the vendors behind this product are 2 well-known creators and vendors in the self-help niche. They provide content solutions to busy internet marketers and are behind the Profit Experts brand. Now, they are Jonathan Tang and Jason Yu. They have over 32,300 sales on Warrior Plus alone. Now, if you are really interested, you should seriously consider this product for your coaching and training success. It's a great package if you want to build an internet marketing business. In a nutshell, how to drive more traffic to your website is a done-for-you training program that you can rebrand and resell as your own. How to drive more traffic to your website is a special report that provides a step-by-step guide for increasing website traffic. Now, it's a PLR product, so you can use it for your coaching program if you're into a lot of coaching like I am. Now, this product includes a lot of stuff, but here are some examples. They provide 5 powerful share triggers that get web surfers to share your content. The role of controversial content in generating traffic. What listicles are and how to use them. And how to use please the right way. And 5 simple and quick traffic driving tips for any niche or market. Now, there's a lot more to this. So I would suggest that you take a hard look at the sales page. Now, it's a done-for-you product, as I mentioned, and it's filled with practical strategies and tips that will empower you so that you have the tools to expand your reach. And you get a full-blown how to report in docs in PDF format. You get a e-cover graphics, and lead capture and thank you pages, and 4-day content to pre-sell your this product through emails. You get an affiliate center page, mobile responsive HTML files, 9 times promotional banner graphics, action guide, and a checklist in both docx and PDF files. Now the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is for $13 and goes up as the sales increase. And now it's a great package for your internet marketing process. This package will be removed after the launch period. So you need to act quickly and act now. It also goes up according to the sales. So if you don't get in at $13, you may get in at $17. It goes up gradually. Now there are 4 upgrades and downsells, so be prepared for them. They're all great deals, I think. Now if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. Now don't forget my bonus mega bundle. Number 1, affiliate marketing made easy. Bonus number 2, access our full-length 28 videos from our executive series. Bonus number 3, Man Up Men, Take Care of Yourself PLR bundle, along with 6 further bonuses. Bonus number 4, The Changing Workplace, and How Leaders Influence Change PLR package. Bonus number 5, Unrestricted PLR rights for children's dinosaur ebooks and coloring books. And work with my internet coaches to help build your online business up to $10,000 a month. That's in that first link in the description below. Now, thank you for listening, folks, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.